Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So 5 quick reasons why mobile timekeeping can be so important. Number 1, with mobile timekeeping, you can have a work ticket ready for the person to see when they check in on their phone, and this would be the directions, the instructions of what you need done. So it's your way of communicating with your cleaner. Number 2, when they go to check in, you can know that they made it to the job. You know how it can be a late alert? Well, that's right. You can set it up if a person isn't there within 10, 15 minutes of the job starting. Well, a little alert can go to your supervisor saying that person, the cleaner, is not there yet. So late alert, and it also lets you know that the person is there. I remember on winter days here in Ohio and Michigan, boy, did we like to know from mobile timekeeping that our people made it safely to the job. Number 3, geofence, right? Geofence using GPS. It's a very good way of knowing that the clock in and the check-in and the check-out came from the actual building. You can set up a geofence. Number 4, mobile checklist. We have a mobile checklist now that's available that you can have on their phone when they're using timekeeping. And on the mobile phone, they could go through the checklist of things you want done. They can check them off. They can add notes. They can add pictures. Super useful. And number 5, the mobile timekeeping gives you, of course, the timekeeping hours. So you'll have your timekeeping hours per person ready to turn over to your payroll processing service. 5 good reasons. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.